All right, we are doing a 360 tour of the bus. I've been thinking about doing this for a long time. I got this 360 camera for real estate, and I just have never done it. And I'm not even sure how to edit this, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. But I figured I'd give you guys a walk around of the bus. This would be a fun way to tour the space and see what's out here. So this is the outside of the bus. I think on your screen you can like spin things around. There it is. We've got our blooming peach tree. Over there is our little campfire area. Solar light. Just stepped in a big puddle over there. All right, here we are inside the bus. Got our little IKEA light. This is, can you see this? This is the air for the doors when it's on. Driver's seat area. Automatic transmission. All of our dials. In here is our benches, 6 feet long. This one over here opens up and turns into like a table. Maybe I'll do that after I walk you through. Over here's our sink and our stove tops. Little shelf for cups and bowls, forks and knives, coffee, snacks. Got our microwave down here. Our trash goes there. And then over here is our fridge and freezer side by side. Our little skylight here, custom made. There's videos about all of this. Our curtains are custom made. Everything's custom made. It's a school bus. This here is the toilet bathroom area. Shower. This is a 36 by 24 tub. Little sink. Oh no, there's an ant. What's an ant doing in the sink? Silly thing. There's no food in there. Mirror. There's our Nature's Head toilet. Our custom built fan, it's just a USB fan, blows air out, but the toilet vents down and out that way. This is an emergency door here. And this is the bedroom. King size bed. This is storage over here. Storage over there. And then here's our cubic mini stove, the cutie. There she is. I have to chop all the blocks into tiny little pieces. That might even be too long. Tiny pieces. This is a fan that turns on when it gets warm. Don't want it to hit on that. Right. There we go. And then down here we have storage also. We put our linens in there for our Airbnb for now. Got our space heater just in case the cubic mini doesn't cut it. It's actually getting cold in here. Shut those up. And that's a tour of the bus. I'll set this thing up and you can just kind of look around. I will get this table set up. Let's see. Simple as that. Whew. What guests actually do when they stay in the bus is just eat out of their lap, or this is much easier and much more convenient. Okay, I'll go set you up in the bathroom. Give you a little privacy so you can kind of look around and feel what it's like. All right, that's enough time for you in there. Okay, and you can scroll around in here, look around, kind of visualize what it feels like to walk around. We left a lot of space in the back. A lot of people do bigger bathrooms or bunk beds for their kids, or I don't know what people do with their space, but this feels like a good amount of extra space in here. I'll leave you alone. All right, that's it. We got our AC unit back there, another skylight here, emergency door there. I think that's it, the little bed in the back. If you have any questions, let me know. If this tour was helpful for you, leave a like or whatever you do to a like. Push the like button. And yeah, you can check out the other videos and see kind of how we built it. And now it's really raining out here. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you in the next video.